Aitreya Brahmana. Decoding the ritualistic and philosophical essence of the Rigvedic tradition. The Aitreya Brahmana, a significant segment of the Rig Veda, stands as a testament to the intricate blend of ritualistic practices and profound philosophical insights within the Vedic tradition. This article delves into the complexities and nuances of the Aitreya Brahmana, exploring its composition, thematic elements, symbolism, and its role in bridging the gap between the ritualistic and the metaphysical realms. Brief overview. As an integral part of the Rig Veda, the Aitreya Brahmana occupies a crucial position in the Vedic corpus. Comprising prose passages and ritualistic commentary, this Brahmana offers a glimpse into the rituals and philosophical contemplations that shape the Vedic worldview. It serves as a bridge between the practical aspects of rituals and the deeper philosophical inquiries that mark the Vedic tradition. Composition and structure. The Aitreya Brahmana is structured into 8 chapters, known as Kas, each addressing different aspects of Vedic rituals and cosmology. The first 3 Kas focus on rituals, sacrifices, and their significance. The remaining Kas delve into the creation of the universe, the nature of reality, and the origins of beings. Ritualistic insights. At its core, the Aitreya Brahmana offers detailed insights into the rituals, ceremonies, and sacrifices that formed an integral part of Vedic life. The precise instructions for performing these rituals reflect the Vedic emphasis on maintaining cosmic order through disciplined practices. Through these descriptions, the Aitreya Brahmana provides a window into the socio-religious fabric of the ancient Vedic society. Philosophical underpinnings. Beyond its ritualistic details, the Aitreya Brahmana delves into profound metaphysical questions. It discusses the nature of creation, the interplay of consciousness and matter, and the origins of life. These philosophical inquiries transcend the immediate rituals and invite contemplation on the fundamental principles that govern existence. Symbolism and allegory. The Aitreya Brahmana employs symbolism and allegory to convey deeper truths. The ritualistic actions are often imbued with symbolic meanings, reflecting the Vedic belief in the interconnectedness of the material and spiritual realms. This layer of symbolism invites practitioners to explore both the outer and inner dimensions of the rituals. Relevance and legacy. The Aitreya Brahmana's relevance extends beyond its historical context. Its insights into rituals, cosmology, and metaphysics provide a foundation for understanding the evolution of Hindu thought and spiritual practices. The blending of practical instructions with philosophical ponderings showcases the holistic approach of the Vedic tradition. Conclusion. The Aitreya Brahmana serves as a dynamic bridge between the external rituals and the deeper contemplations within the Rigvedic tradition. By exploring the rituals with meticulous detail and then delving into the philosophical dimensions of creation, consciousness, and existence, this Brahmana embodies the intricate tapestry of the Vedic worldview. It invites us to appreciate the profound unity between the practical and the metaphysical, guiding us to recognize the interconnectedness that underlies the rituals, the cosmos, and the quest for understanding the essence of life itself.